Today is a nuanced session, strong in some areas, weak in others. Here is the full picture. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your complete Forex market briefing for June 9th. Currency markets are being driven by a complex mix of central bank policy, geopolitical risk, and shifting growth expectations. Let us break it all down. Here is a snapshot of how the major currency pairs are trading today. Euro to US dollar is trading at 1.16, gaining 0.37% on the session. The world's most traded pair is driven by ECB versus Fed rate differentials. Currency markets are reacting to Yardeni Wei's SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. Pound sterling to US dollar is trading at 1.34, gaining 0.4% on the session. Sterling is highly sensitive to UK inflation data and Bank of England rate guidance. Currency markets are reacting to gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears, stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious, moneycontrol.com. US dollar to Japanese yen is trading at 160.18, losing 0.09% on the session. Dollar yen tracks the US-Japan rate differential and Bank of Japan intervention risk. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. USD SGD is trading at 0.7779, gaining 0.39% on the session. The Singapore dollar reflects Asian FX sentiment, trade flows, and MAS monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold slips as rising oil prices and inflation concerns temper safe haven demand, Yahoo Finance. Australian dollar to US dollar is trading at 0.7053, gaining 0.14% on the session. The Aussie dollar closely tracks commodity prices, especially iron ore, and Chinese growth signals. Currency markets are reacting to Yardeni Wei's SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. US dollar to Chinese yuan is trading at 0.1477, losing 0.06% on the session. The onshore yuan reflects PBOC daily fixings, US-China trade dynamics, and capital flow controls. Currency markets are reacting to gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears, stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious, moneycontrol.com. Now let us look at the macro forces behind today's currency moves. On the geopolitical front, traders are reacting to news that stock market jitters remain amid tech fears and renewed Middle East attacks. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven demand. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that Fed risks fueling a stock bubble by overlooking ARA-driven inflation, BCA. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that earnings, not valuations, are fueling the US stock market, Financial Times. Currency markets are reacting to Yardeni Wei's SpaceX IPO viability as trillion-dollar listings loom. Currency markets are reacting to gold, silver ETFs tumble up to 6% as US Fed rate hike fears, stronger dollar trigger sell-off in precious, moneycontrol.com. Our near-term view on pound sterling to US dollar. With pound sterling to US dollar moving sideways today, the market is effectively waiting for a fresh catalyst. The $1.37 level above and $1.31 below are the levels to monitor for the next directional signal. Currency markets can move fast and unexpectedly. Central bank surprises, geopolitical shocks, and data prints are the key risks to monitor. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is your Forex briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily currency coverage.